Hi, Bill White here. Okay, today I want to show you how to do an interactive video with H5P. Okay, so one of the first things I like to do is I like to have all of my stuff ready in a text file. So I have my video URL, then my questions here with some instructions here. Okay, the questions for the H5P for a multiple choice or single choice question is you have the question on the first line, then the questions one per line, and the first one is always the correct answer. H5P will shuffle the answers, but when you put them in, you should put the first one as you need to put the first one as the correct answer. And then when you're doing fill in the blanks, then the words should be surrounded, or phrases, whatever you're using, by asterisks. Okay, so each one, then it will say this is where the student should write in or type in the answers. Okay, so now let's begin. First off, make sure you're in your course. Make sure editing is on, and once it's on, then you click add an activity or resource, and then H5P. And then, of course, you give it your name. And then any directions. Okay. Then you can just click here and then go to your content bank, and there's nothing there. So don't worry about that. You go to that later. So here you can set up any options you have or whatever, and then you save and display. And of course, there's nothing there. So you can just return for the course. Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. I'm used to the old one. Okay. Content bank opens. Here's where you click. Sorry about that. Then you add your interactive video. Boy, Bill, you should pay attention to what you're doing first. Okay. And then once you have it, this is the interface that you'll get to add a question. Okay, so first you want to put in your title of it. Okay. Okay, next you're going to add the video. So again, this is where the text file is helpful. You click here and just put your video. Okay. And now it's there. Then when you click add interactions, this is where you're going to add your questions. Okay, here you get to decide what types of questions you want and directions and other things. Okay. For this, I'm just going to do a simple single choice questions and fill in the blanks. So we're going to start with this single choice questions, but before we do that, we need to know where we want to put them. So I've already prepared. So we'll go to
of what we think a person.
Okay, you can get thereabouts. It doesn't really matter. You could do it without even doing this, but when you click poster, okay, and this is where you tell it what time you want it to go till. Okay. And how long you want it to be shown for. I don't select button, I always select poster. That pops up the question, whereas the button would require them to click to get the question. This way it's a little easier for them. Okay. You can name it if you want to give it names, not important. But here you want to go to textual. You could do it one by one, but I like the textual. And again, you just go into your question and you just paste it in there, and then you can done. Then you can move it around to wherever you want it to be, okay? However big you want it, okay? And you can move on to your next question. I have a couple here, okay? And again, move it around to where you want it. I mean, you can be exact if you know where you want it by numbers, but okay. And then that's fine. 9. I did forget to make sure that was poster. Oh, okay. Thereabouts, and oh, wait, hold on, I forgot the one more question here. Okay. No, textual. And then this one is my fill in the blanks. Okay, again, poster. Okay, and here you can include all your extra information you need. Again, if you want to change anything, you can do some limited editing here. So, like for example, this one should be in the middle. Okay. Maybe you want to make that so it's a little different, you know. Yeah, just so that they know the words. Okay. And you're done. Okay. Fill in the blanks usually needs a little more space. Okay. Okay. Then any other settings here, if you want to start it at a certain time or you want it to autoplay or loop. Override show solution button. I always have it disabled so that the kids have to try again and again. It's up to you, but I allow them to retry. This is also meant just for them to practice, so they're aboard. And then any other things if you want, and you save it. Sorry, my system's a little slow. And then once, now you can see it has all the things, okay? And then they're ready to watch. And then once you're all set, you can close. Okay. and go back to here, and didn't save. Oh, I gotta add it all over again. H5P. Okay. You can just click or there, and there it is. And select this file. Then again, any options if you want it to allow them to download it or embed it, copyright buttons, whatever. Your grade, how many points it's worth. If you have categories, I don't. Just a example, and then the other settings. Then you can save and display. And then you will see what the students see. Okay, takes a little time. Taking a lot longer than I thought it would, but okay. Well, sometimes it's just quicker to go. No, not gonna work today. Sure, now my computer wants to go slow. And then click. And it's going to take a long time. Sorry about that, and there you go. And then, so the students will just click play. And then they'll watch it. I'm just going to skip ahead just quickly.
Which form 10 to 20.
And then, okay. I'm trying to get them wrong here. Oh, I didn't fix this one. So here you'll see, yeah? Okay. And then, okay, and then, just gonna, okay, whatever, and then check. Okay, then continue. Now, the important thing is they need to click this star or wait till the end. If they don't wait till the end, then they have to click submit answers and then do that. Okay, so now you see that I had a mistake. Well, this is a good learning experience, so let's go back here and go into our content bank, and I need to edit that. And just click. And then go into my interactions, and I know was this one. Okay. I just okay. And then it's saved. And that's how easy it is to make an interactive video. The hard part is you making what you want. Okay? And I hope that explains it. If you have any questions, let me know. And hopefully I can make some more in the future. Good luck. We'll see ya.